everybody. How has your week been? It's Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's been a rough week. Anyway, today we are going to be making Oyakodon. I got a request from my friend from college. I miss you. I hope everything's going well. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna put a little bit more than half a cup of water in here. But I'm cooking for 2 adults and 2 children. So basically it's for like 3 adults. Today I'll be using hondashi. You could substitute it. It doesn't have to be hondashi if you can find it. I think I've seen it in the United States. Okay, so I'm going to be using a 1/4 teaspoon of hondashi. I'm gonna slice 1 onion. And then you want mitsuba, the type of leaf. If you can't find this, don't worry about it. I hope everybody is okay. Now, okay, so I'm gonna turn back the fire on. I'm gonna be using chicken thigh. Usually use 100 grams per person. So one trick when you're cutting chicken thigh. So this is the skin. If you roll it this way, it's really easy to cut. Easy. See? Because it kind of stays in place. And again, you don't have to cut it this small. I'm just doing it because I have small children. Okay, now I have the chicken in here and I'm gonna put the onion in too. Oh my goodness. 6 eggs. Okay, and then you mix your eggs really well. We are going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna be using Hakkaisan, which is actually from my hometown. It's good sake. Usually don't use it for cooking. It's already starting to smell good. Okay, that's for like 1 person. And you want to make sure the chicken is fully cooked. Put half of the egg in. I feel like that was a little bit more than half. Oh my goodness, you're standing in your fridge. Okay, and don't stir much. Okay, and I'm gonna put a lid on. Okay, and then we're going to wait about 1 minute. Okay, so it's been about a minute. Okay, and then we turn the fire off. Then we put the other half in. That did not sound good. Okay, let me turn the fire back on just a little bit. Okay, make sure it bubbles. Make sure it's hot enough. I forgot to put in soy sauce. Okay, you have to put in soy sauce before you put the egg in. I was thinking it really looks yellow. Okay, great. I should retake, but I can't because of all the... Okay, don't forget to put the soy sauce in. Sorry, guys. I think it's still gonna work, hopefully. Fingers crossed. It's really sad. Okay, so anyway, the fire's off and then you put the lid on. We wait 1 minute. I can't believe I forgot to put in soy sauce. That's really dumb. Should I retake it? Should I retake it? Okay, I'm gonna upload this video because I don't have any more chicken. I mean, okay, so basically, sorry guys. I can't believe okay, so basically you just have to put the soy sauce in before the egg. I'm so sorry, I forgot to put in soy sauce in. So like normally you don't touch the egg. After you put the second half in, you don't touch the egg, and then it becomes this beautiful surface. Okay, so it's been about 1 minute. It looks perfect except the surface. I'm so sorry. Okay, and then you put mitsuba on the top. That is oyakodon.